Hello everyone, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing well. Today, we are diving into the world of Hot Wheels Skull Shaker. This diecast was first introduced in 2018 and has quickly become a fan favorite. Why? Because it's not just a car, it's a diecast with cool design. So before we dwell into detail, let's unbox it. Check this out. The Skull Shaker comes in a striking red color with a black and silver graphics. And it features the Rue logo and the Shake and Go decals on the sides. It's got this awesome edgy vibe that really makes it stand out. Now, the coolest part about the Skull Shaker is its design. The body of the car resembles a human skull. And when the car moves, the skull actually shakes. How cool is that? Just look at in action. The shaking skull adds a touch of spooky fun to your Hot Wheels collection. Plus, it's available in various colors, decals, and special edition, making it a must-have for collectors and enthusiasts. So whether you are a collector or just love unique eye-catching design, the Skull Shaker is a fantastic addition to your Hot Wheels lineup. And I would love to hear what you think about this awesome Skull Shaker. So drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this unboxing and review, don't forget to give us thumbs up and subscribe for more cool videos. Thanks for chilling with me today, and I'll catch you up in the next video. Until then, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.